Now we are going to learn about exercise 12.2 12th question without using the truth table how to bring the result. So in their statement bring a tautology. So question is what is the question? The given B conditional Q conditional B. So before that just remaining one statement, if any one term B conditional Q, so we take as B as a first term, take as a Q as a second term. That become like that. How it will become? Negation of B or the second term Q will come. So this is a term we can write instead of both are equal. If you do the truth table, see the last column, both should become equal answer. So B conditional Q we can write one more way, negation of B or Q. So like that here what is the first term? B is the first term and this is the second term. So you want to remove the conditional statement here, how it will come? Negation of first term, negation of first term, negation of B, that is the first term, or the second part, Q conditional B. Now the same condition going to apply one more time inside the whole bracket. So Q conditional B. So already is B, negation of B and R is there. Now if you remove the negation here, the first part, negation of Q, R into B will come. I am going to apply commutative property. So commutative property is simple, exchange and multiply. For example, B negation or Q or B both are equal. That's mean a commutative property. So exchange the two term. So negation of B or here exchanging B or negation of Q. Now commutative property applying within two terms, associative property applying with three terms. So first part here two part is there. So same whole bracket I exchange and write negation of B R into B. This is associative property combining with what three terms. So already lower class we studied associative property. Addition is always associative. That means what 2 plus 3 is there. Then plus 5 equal to 10. Same thing you can write 2. Then 3 plus 5 equal to 10. That means we can add 3 plus 2 then add with 5 equal to 10. Otherwise 3 plus 5 then come to 2. So addition always associative. Like that here associative apply with 3 terms. Commutative apply with 2 terms. Simple logic. Don't confuse with associative and commutative. It seems to both are same only. So now again please remain in the new properties. Negation of B or B. Or B or negation of B, the entire result means what true will come. So any term, the same term, negation with the symbol what R means the entire result should be what true. So entire this term you can write as a true. We have R negation of Q. So one more things you have remaining. Any term true or negation of Q. Suppose we have true or negation of B, whatever it is, the result is what will come, true will come. So instead of the entire term become a true. Okay, so finally come to conclusion, the result is become what a true. So it is called as a tautology. So B and Q is a tautology. Suppose now you apply truth table, how to identify tautology? The entire last column, the final result, everything true, it become a tautology. Here without truth tables, we have one letter T. So entire term will become a truth. So it is called as a tautology.